Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Diwakar Singh. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create login screen in Android app within 10 minutes using Kotlin language for programming and constraint layout for designing. So first we will click on start a new Android Studio project. Then here we can see we have so many activities. I will select empty activity. Then next. Then here we can set our application name as login screen. This will be our package name. This will be our save location where our application code gets saved, and make sure this should be Kotlin as we are going to code in Kotlin. So our project is getting load. This will be the XML file where we will design our login screen. You can remove this default text here. You don't need it. This is our Kotlin file where we will write our code after designing, and here we go. Let's refresh it. Take the text field for username. Just drag and drop here. Set its constraint as parent for all the sites. To make it lie to the center, and then we can set its hint name, margin, and text color from here. Let's first set its hint name as username, then text color as black, which is inbuilt in Android, and also we will make its width as 0 dp so that its width gets aligned to now again I will select text field for password. Set its constant to username so that it will display as a lookalike. Then set its width to 0 dp. Set its hint to password. We can do all the same thing from here also by writing the code like text color as black, and all. Now let's take a button for login. Set its constant to password. which is set with the username. So all three are sharing as same constraint, we can say. It's width is also same as password and username. We can set up the margin as per our need. Let's set it as 24 dp. Now let's change the background of button. We can change it from res folder, then values, and then color XML. We can set our custom color also over here. Like if I don't know the hash value, I, I prefer to do like this, like here. Then I will set its background color as I have told you. We can do it from here also as red color. Let's change this text color as white, which is also present in Android Studio by default. Let's make it text as login. And now I would like to change the color of background of the screen also as white. So that it will look nicely. Now let's move the action bar from top. I don't need any action bar in my screen, so I can do this from here. Now let's run it. Meanwhile, we can do the code for it. As Kotlin supports Lambda, so we don't need to write new on click listener and at all. So here I can put my condition like if username text is null or blank, and also if password text is also null or blank. Let's call a toast that please please fill the required details. And if it is filled, let's do the login. We can print in a toast. You can print the username in a toast also, like this. Dot text is logged in. Now this is our layout. As I mentioned, I can change its color from here. let's run our code. So if I will click on login without filling the details, it will say please fill required fields. And if I will fill my Gmail ID and password as 123456, it will say div@gmail.com is logged in. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.